Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Edinburgh University account. Let's get started. So to log into your Edinburgh University account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. After opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for Edinburgh University login. After searching for Edinburgh University login, you'll come up to this page, and from here what you can do is just simply tap on this first option which says My ED Student and Staff Portal. And after tapping on that option, now what you can do is, now in order to log into your My ED account, what you can do is just simply tap on this login option which says log into My ED, and My ED means My Edinburgh University, so just tap on it, and after tapping on it, now in order to log into your account, just have to enter your account's username. After entering your account's username, now you can enter your account's password and then tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your University of Edinburgh account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.